Hey fellas. All right, so let's go. Let's go one by one with your three comps here. So let's do this here. Let's go here. Duplicate. 4-1. Let me see what you wrote here. Motivation wants to sell 60 days. Let me exit this. Motivation wants to sell 60 days. Ex-wife's return roof. Original needs good. Needs 60 contact. No, needs to talk to ex-wife. Okay. Always try to get a price range out of them. Typically, I start asking that in the beginning now. So, hey sir, how you doing? Yeah, I'm calling about the property in Haines Street. Awesome. Now let me ask you, man, what's your asking price for this property? Lately, I've been asking it first because I've been getting it more. So here, I don't see an asking price. Maybe you did get it and you just didn't put it here, but just a little note there. And I don't see the beds and baths here. So it's always good to get the beds and baths because sometimes this is wrong. So is it really a 4-1, a 4-2? Makes a pretty big difference. But anyways, with the information I have here, I'm just going to go based off square feet. Let's do this. Okay. Jacksonville's kind of a wishy-washy market, man. Every street is so different. So I always really zoom in a lot in Jacksonville. I put satellite. Wow. Hold on, let me put here. Let's put in the last 6 months. There we go. Okay. Zoom in. All right, we see here 4-1, 1,300 square feet. And on your notes, you said roof 2016, so almost 10 years. So it's a good roof. Plumbing original, electrical original, needs kitchen. Okay, so it needs a full rehab. Okay, got it. Let's see. And let me see what year built this was. Built in 58. Okay, this is a similar house, 3 to 1,100. 142. This is pretty ARV. Like, this is pretty nice. It's the highest sale. Let's see this 177. Doesn't have data. Let's see this 300. Oh wow, this is big. It looks like a duplex too. Let me see what else we got going on here. Let's see this 156. 3 to 1,084. But this looks like kind of new house. Let me see when this was built. 2002. Yeah, I don't want to count that. Then we got this 175. Interesting. 3-2, 1,075, 2002 built. Yeah. So ours is going to be worth less than this, and less than that, and less than that. Yeah. So I'm going to put it at like 140 ARV. Let's put it. So 140K times 75% minus. In Jacksonville, the rehabs aren't so crazy, so we could put a 30K rehab minus, let's say, 25K profit for you guys. So if we do the math, here we got 140 times 0.75 minus 55, 50K MAO. For innovation, you could put it on, but it's going to be about the same price. It's going to be about the same. Let's see the competition here. Honestly, it's going to be about the same. See, this is really nice. $180. I mean, if you list it under all these, like 4-1, 1,200, pretty done up, pending on 155. Well, we don't know. Oh, it's for sale, so it hasn't sold. Yeah, so our 145 number, if they lower this to 145, ours will probably sell. So my guess is if we list it for like 99, it'll fly off the shelf. So if we let's put here 99K times 90% minus, let's say, 25K profit. Fuck, what I do? 99 times 0.90 minus 25. 64K. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Let's see this. Schuyler, Wake Forest, North Carolina. Interesting. 230K. Wow. Where is the house? Is it this one? Oh no, it's probably this one. Yeah, it's not this one. Interesting. 1,200 square feet, and it's 1989 built. Interesting. It's a nice house. So Sky Forest, North Carolina is a decent area, but it's pretty out there still, you know. I hate when it does that. I gotta refresh it. Interesting. Let's put in the last 24 months. Okay, there we go. So ours is a, let me see if you put the beds and bath here. Half acre, 9 years, okay, okay. Yeah, again, no beds and bath. So it's hard for me to know, right? No beds and bath. I don't know exactly what we're dealing with here. Here it says 2, so I'm going to assume it's a 3-2, 1,200 square feet. Probably not a 4-2, but let's see. 3-3, sold for 225. 3-2, sold for 270. This one is pretty similar to this one, so that means that built in yeah, so 325. Let me see, it's 455, 2,000 square feet. Let me see, it's 360, 2,000 square feet. So let me see, it's 330, 1,600 square feet. So anywhere between 320, 330. Probably ours is a little under, I would say. Let me see, 1,400, 335, 1,000, 330. So I'm going to put it at 325 to be safe. So let's put here 325K times, this will probably put it as like a 70, let me put 74% area minus AC replaced 20 something, kitchen granite, tile floors. This is a great novation. So probably doesn't need too much work. So I'm going to put 25K minus, let's say 25K profit for you guys or for us, whatever. 190.5. And then here, novation. Let's see what the competition is right now in the marketplace. Ooh, none. Let's see if there's any pending. Okay, let's see. Let me put up. Oh wait, you also have to take out this. Wow, there's only one for sale. 390, 1,800 square feet. Really fucking nice. Let's see, it's 365 here. This is like a new house, so we can't do that. So ours is worth less than this one. Yeah, we'll put our ARV at 330. We're gonna have to list it in the 2s. Man, if you list this thing for like 299, it'll probably fly, dude. So this would be a great novation. I'm gonna put here 299K times 90%. I'm gonna put minus 35K because I could be wrong about the 299. So if I'm wrong by 10K, we still make 25. You know, so that's why I'm putting in a big buffer here because it's since there's not a lot of proof, I have to put in a bigger buffer. So 234. All right, and let's move on to this one, Ocala. I like Ocala. One side is the business, one side is the apartment. The apartment is an independent address. Interesting. Interesting. I used to like Ocala. I'm actually selling my last rental in Ocala at the moment, which is kind of nice. I don't want any rentals for a while. Oh yeah, I see. It doesn't even pop up here. Let me put here Zillow. Let me see if the other address. All right, so let's see. So what is the property? Oh, I guess, let me do this. But I imagine it's the same thing. It's pretty cool that it has its own address, though. I'm not gonna lie. I imagine this is the thing. Let me see. Oh yeah, tax right here. This has to be it. $10.07. Yeah, this is the tax office. Wow, it's pretty nice. And this is the apartment in the back, I guess. Let me see. How can I tell if that's the apartment? Unless, yeah, it has to be this. That's a big apartment. Let me see a description. One side is a business, one side is apartment. The apartment has independent address, roof, a month, plumbing, education, 19 years, HVAC 7 years, needs floors, can't close until May 1st. Okay. This is gonna be a tough one. Okay, let me look. This one I'm gonna give a range because it might take a long time. Let's just give a range, and if we're close, then we'll look at it deeper. You know, I'll give you a range because I might have to to really do it. I would have to go on LoopNet and see what things are selling and stuff like that. But for now, let's put here sold. Let's put any home type, and let's put in the last. There's a lot of data, so I'm gonna put last 6 months. And here we got a 180 to 1100 square feet. Ours is, oops. Ours is 1400 square feet. Let's just kind of go by that. So this one sold for 180. This one sold for 230. This one sold for 168, 235. Rosa Realty. I used to do deals with them. I'm gonna put the ARV in the mid 200s. Ours might be a little bit more because obviously we have two things, but the fact that it's commercial changes the value a lot too. So it's kind of challenging. So I'm gonna put 250. Again, I could be off on this one. It's a little challenging, but I'll probably be off by 10-15%. So if you present this offer to the seller, it's gonna need a lot of repairs. So let's put 40. Let's put 45K minus 25K. Wait, did I put it? Yeah. See, look. I mean, I always fall back on all right, what's been the highest sale? All right, let's see, it's 45. Oh, I see. This is like an office thing. Let me see. Oh, but look at this, how nice this is. This is beautiful. And it's not even, it's kind of a little far away. See, 250, 230, 160, 160, 340. 310. 250. The truth of the matter is, this is kind of a tough sale because, not many people are, on the market to buy an office type of thing, so. 115. So let's go 110K to, let's say, 130K range. I would offer that. And roof, I guess, a month old is what it's saying. As far as renovation, I'd put there that maybe 199K times 90% minus, let's do 35K for a big margin of error. 144.